Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word boyhood. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. My grandmother often reminisces about her boyhood adventures in the countryside. Boyhood refers to the period in a male's life, from childhood to adolescence, typically characterized by growth, exploration, and learning. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.